Okay, so welcome back. We're going to quickly go through and address those three remaining features. The first thing we're going to tackle is that we are going to do the chamfers. So when I address chamfers, I'm going to select each of the lines that I want to change. Oh, I selected a face. Unselect that. 2, 3, 4. And then I want to go on the back side. 1. Select it. 6. I can peek through the design and select those remaining 2. And that gives me 8 edges. Select OK. So that gives me my chamfers. Last thing is I want to select my fillet. So I select the surfaces, this one ledge here, a second edge here, and then it's going to be constant, and then the value is going to be 0.25. And so that gives me those two features. Last thing we want to address is the hole. So if I look at the bottom, we have that hole at the center, or we have this hole we want to put in the center of the origin. So I'm going to do another sketch. I'm going to select this face on the bottom. I'm just going to create a point, which is going to give me a place to put the hole. Select that as my point. Finish my sketch. And then the tool I want to use is I want to create a hole. I'm going to select that point there. Now, oddly enough, oh, did it do it again? Nope. Let's see here. Okay, so placement is by sketch. I've selected the sketch point. The hole is going to be a through hole. The hole type is going to be counterbore. The hole type is going to be non-tap, so simple. I'm going to do the flat drill bit. And then if I look at my values, it's a through hole. The counterbore is 0.177. Drill down 0.633. Hit OK. And then that's going to give me my finished part. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this now, and then we'll take a look at the next part in another video.